She puts everything there is in the fridge on my face. And I have to admit, the first few days it was disgusting and I used to feel like, what can I smell? And this is something I definitely don't like. In love, I will have love come ruin or rapture.
Wow, intense.
There have been quite a few. I don't really
But
want
if you
to
could pick
upset
one.
anybody. I'm not going to do that.
Do you love watching?
I'm very nice.
Do you
So
love
that's another thing you know about me. I hate upsetting people.
Are you single?
I'm not answering that question. I like my private life to be private, like I said earlier. Fried food, achar, Bengali sweets,
Wow.
you name it, and I'm like, anything spicy, I love it.
You think you know everything about your favorite star? Well, here we are in our new segment, Know Me in 7 Minutes, wherein we are going to ask your favorite celebrity a few questions about themselves. Could be about what they like, what they dislike. You might know a few of them, but I bet you don't know everything. So here's our next guest, Moni Roy, who will be revealing everything about herself in 7 minutes. We are going to try. I don't promise we cover everything, but we are going to try. So, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Drink water with haldi.
What about the one thing you hate doing in the morning?
Going on Instagram or social media.
How many times do you still do it anyway?
Don't, very, I've become very good. Earlier on I used to try not to do it and then do it. No, the first half an hour, I have my mornings very packed, so I try not to touch my
Are you a tea or a coffee person?
coffee.
Do you make your own coffee?
Sometimes.
How do you like your coffee?
With 1.5 scoop to be exact of hazelnut syrup.
What's the weirdest thing you've eaten?
Nothing, I'm a vegetarian, so
Nothing weird.
I don't know, some plants or some roots in Italy, I think, yeah.
Do you cook?
Yes, I have become a rather good cook this lockdown, I must say, and my aesthetics are very good.
What's it that you cook?
Every Bengali food, some desserts.
Remember any moment when you burnt food?
Yeah, for sure. The first time I was trying to make banana bread. You have no idea. I think it was in the oven we were trying to rectify it, and we would I would take off the burnt layer and then put it back in. I was doing something wrong. I mean, clearly, and it would just get burnt. The top and the bottom would just get burnt.
You have such an amazing skin. What do you do to get that? I mean, is there a DIY regime that you follow?
Nothing, but I really truly drink lots of water and coconut water in the summers, and I think that's, you can't let your skin get dehydrated. That's one thing. Also, since the time my mom is here, she puts everything there is in the fridge on my face. And I have to admit, the first few days it was disgusting and I used to feel like, what can I smell? And this is something I definitely don't like. But my skin feels even better and amazing, and it doesn't really need so much base or makeup.
Now, favorites. What's your favorite cheat meal?
I have it rather like 3 times a week, I think. French fries with piri piri.
What's your favorite color?
White, black, beige.
What's your favorite film of all time?
Too many. Shakespeare in Love, Phantom of the Opera, Sholay.
Mouth one dialogue.
Okay, sorry.
Mouth one dialogue from the same film. Pick one.
Okay, Shakespeare in Love. I will have love come ruin or rapture.
Wow, intense. Your favorite Bollywood character?
Favorite Bollywood character? Have to be Raj Kapoor sir's from Mera Naam Joker. Watched it way too many times.
What's that one thing you're absolutely passionate about?
Dancing, reading.
Is there a hobby you regret not taking up as a profession?
No. I'm very happy with what I do. Absolutely love it.
If you had to sum up your journey, how would you do that in one sentence or one word?
I'm a learner. Always was, always will be.
Who's your favorite co-star and why?
There have been quite a few. I don't really
But if
want
you
to
could pick
upset
one.
anybody. I'm not going to do that.
Do you love watching?
I'm very nice.
love
That's another thing you know about me. I hate upsetting people.
Which movie made you cry last?
Last, what did I watch? My book that I read and I'm still reading, like the last part of the Elena Ferrante, My Brilliant Friend, that got me like teary-eyed.
Which is your favorite current favorite song?
Patli Kamaria. I was going to say something else. Can you imagine? I'm like, no, don't do that.
You have to stick to your
Song, yeah.
Do you love superheroes?
Love them.
Are you
Marvel, DC, all, yeah.
I was about to say Marvel or DC. But if you had
Both.
to choose between Marvel or DC,
Listen, I really can't. I know. No,
One.
I can't.
Okay. One super.
Doctor Strange, maybe because he's very intelligent and I love Cumberbatch.
Yeah, I want. I'm with her in this one. Okay, one.
Which one is
superpower?
yours?
Even I can't choose, but I'm
See?
not on the hot seat.
See?
But I'm not
Marvel
on the
DC
hot
both.
seat.
Superman also.
One superpower you would love to possess.
Controlling and at all times having my own mind calm.
One question that you would love to be asked.
Nothing. I think people know way too much about me. I'd like to keep some of it to myself. Nothing. I don't want to be asked anything. Can't be bothered.
One actor you would love to work with.
There are way too many. Amir sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
One co-actor who you just can't stand at all.
There's nobody like that. I really, I am a very amiable person. I get along with everyone.
One quality.
If I don't like you, also you'll never know.
Wow.
Not that I don't like you. I really like you. I really do. But I am amiable.
Now I am having second thoughts about it.
Don't be. I was just saying it for effect.
One quality in a person that turns you on completely.
Honesty, transparency, candidness.
Okay. One film you regret passing on.
I can't tell you, but I do regret.
Are you single?
I'm not answering that question. I like my private life to be private, like I said earlier.
Okay. What do you guys have a WhatsApp group with friends?
I don't like WhatsApp
Do you
groups too
gossip
much.
there?
One to know. Another thing. My gossip barometer have gone from 5 earlier on. It used to be 4, 5 to 1, 2 now. I have actually told all my friends also to not. The more you give it food, like fodder, you like feed on it, and that is the circle that you're in. It takes away from such precious time and your precious moments when you could be thinking, doing something really nice, having fun conversation with friends. It just takes away from that and pushes you in some negative zone.
True.
So obviously, I'm not like I don't gossip at all, but it's become like 1%.
Your guilty pleasure.
Food, yeah, all kind of fried food, achar, Bengali sweets,
Wow.
you name it, and I'm like anything spicy, I love it.
Rate yourself, Moni, as an actor on a scale of 1 to 10.
5, 6,
As a daughter. That was quite modest.
9, 10.
As a fashionista.
I don't know. That's not something for other people to decide for me.
I'll say 10.
Okay, thank you.
As a sister.
9,
As a friend.
12, 15.
Wow. One question you want to ask yourself.
When will I grow up?
The answer to that would be never.
I don't know. The answer to that would be I don't know.
So lastly, did you lie during the interview at any given
Not
point?
even in a single question. I hate lying and I dislike liars. Hate is a very strong word.
Yeah, but great. You did very well, in
Thank
fact.
you,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you so much. I'm very grateful for all the love that you've showered on us. And thank you so much for having me here
Thank
today.
you.